sir, I go to sleep at 8 o'clock every night, sir. It's just the 10 o'clock ones, and I get my 5 o'clock one first thing in the morning, Your Honor.
Then you come here and you ask.
Mr. Nayland is in Cancun until Monday next week, Judge, so he's not available this morning.
I understand.
So I'm kind of filling in. I have had a chance to look at this violation report regarding missed blows. I'm assuming that's our issue here today. Spoken with Mr. Jones about that. Pressed upon him the need for perfection here.
This is no tolerance. Absolutely no tolerance, because we've had one issue after the other. Testing positive for here, doing that over there. We've literally let you go over and over and over. And there's absolutely no excuse for the missed blows. How many missed blows do we have?
The video opens with confusion. The defendant nervously tries to explain why she missed breath tests, saying she goes to bed early and takes her morning test at 5 a.m. The judge, however, isn't amused. He reminds everyone that this court has zero tolerance. He's clearly frustrated after repeated violations. The defense lawyer tries to buy time until the main attorney returns, but the judge refuses. Reaction: the tension builds fast. The judge's patience has run out. A question: would you have shown leniency here, or is the judge right to enforce no more excuses?
19, Your Honor. Within that 7 or 8. But Judge, I would ask, if possible, as I'm not the lead on this case, and I know Dustin has had history with the court and Mr. Jones here on this case, if you would consider holding on the consideration of this matter until he returns on Tuesday of next week. So
I'm sorry, Ben, I can't. I have to know. You have to know.
The defense confirms there were 19 missed tests. The judge emphasizes that this is no small mistake. 19 times is a pattern. Despite the lawyer's respectful tone, the judge insists. I have to know that we mean business. Reaction: you can feel the courtroom's energy tighten. The judge's voice is calm but firm, signaling this is a final warning. A question: should 19 missed tests automatically mean jail time, or should the person get one more chance?
Know that we mean business. I'm not here to toy with you and play games with you. Know what the expectation is in this court. You've been with me for as long as we've had. You're over there.
Because I have a cold, y'all. Cold weather. I apologize. So can I please speak on the breathalyzer?
No. You know what the expectation is. You have 19 missed tests. That's it. I'm sorry, Ben, I can't. You're here in
Now the defendant pleads, "Please, Your Honor, I'll do anything, even wear an ankle monitor." Her desperation is raw. She insists she doesn't even drink, that she simply fell asleep during testing hours. The judge, though, isn't buying it. He reminds her that this has been going on since November. Missed tests, excuses, promises. Reaction: it's heartbreaking but also frustrating. The courtroom sees too many last chances. Question: do you think she's being sincere or just trying to avoid jail?
Instead, you're a capable and outstanding lawyer. I have the utmost respect for you, but 19 missed tests are 19 missed tests. And I've been telling him since the absolute beginning, there's just no tolerance.
Oh, please.
No.
But to his credit, Your Honor, we have no positive UAs. He's been here on weekly UAs, so there's no indication that he's using this to obfuscate for alcohol.
Early
Test.
The judge has heard enough. He raises the bond from $5,000 to $10,000, saying he's tested positive over and over: marijuana, opium, now missed blows. The defendant is begging to stay free, but the judge insists the rules are clear. A reaction: this is the breaking point. Justice meets emotion. The courtroom turns cold and procedural again. Question: at this point, would you have made the same call as the judge?
And he is blowing outside the window, so we don't know what he's doing.
Oh my God, sir, I go to sleep at 8 o'clock every night, sir. It's just the 10 o'clock ones, and I get my 5 o'clock one first thing in the morning, Your Honor.
Then you come here and you ask.
Oh, they just told me about this last week in pretrial over there, and they said that I had a 45-day miss.
You have 19 missed blows, dude. Covering the camera.
Please, Honor, I will do anything. I'll even go on that drug, ankle monitor. I'll do anything, Your Honor. I'm really trying here. I swear to God, I'll do.
Then the judge pivots. He starts questioning the defendant about her GED progress. The tone shifts from angry to skeptical. "Show me the proof," he says, emphasizing that spoken word means nothing. You can tell he wants to see accountability, not just promises. Reaction? The judge's tough love approach shows he's not trying to crush her, but to force real change. Question: is this firmness necessary for rehabilitation, or is it too harsh?
Anything you want me to do, if you just please let me stay free. I swear to God, Your Honor, I'm really trying here.
See that?
Please, Your Honor, it's just, I don't even drink.
From the 15th of November, you have been skipping tests. You have been to this court.
I go to sleep at 10 o'clock and I still did the ones later on when I would wake up. And they told me this just last week, Your Honor. I swear to God. I swear on everything I love.
You know.
The defense produces evidence, emails from the GED instructor confirming attendance. The judge isn't fully convinced. He counts 11 resets since May, reminding her that she's had months to show progress. Reaction. The judge's patience is thin, but this moment sets up a potential turning point. He's still giving her a chance to prove herself. And transition. The next few minutes will decide whether she earns that chance.
Please give me a chance, Your Honor.
Testing schedule is, and I've given you one
I started
pass after the other. He goes with you. No,
Oh my God.
Your Honor, may we discuss setting a new bond further?
of course.
Oh my gosh. Your Honor. Why? Please, I'm trying here. I'm trying to do everything.
Goes with you.
Oh my gosh.
Bond is at 5,001 now because of the prior violations. I'll now set it at 10,002. I'm sorry, Ben, but he's tested positive literally over and over and over. He continues to test positive for marijuana. When I've told him to stop, he's tested positive for opiates. He's tested positive for this. Now he's skipping blows. He has obscured the camera as well?
It's not necessarily that he's obscured the camera, but it's too dark to view. It doesn't mean that there's.
It's the same thing. If we can't see you in the camera,
Yes,
then you're fooling. And I'm done with the fooling. That's it. I know that Dustin's gonna be pissed, but I mean, I've got it in black and white. And Dustin knows that it's no tolerance.
Consider 7502, Judge, for bond.
Okay, Ben. Okay, great. But he has to know that we mean business, man. If I let him go now, I'm enabling, and I'm not gonna do that. I can't, but fine. Because, fine. All right, 7502.
She sent me an email from one of
If
the.
anything, have you done for your GED?
And what I did for it,
What have you done?
I went to a class and then I tried to go yesterday. They canceled it and he also,
You went the day before court.
and I also went before.
Judge, she's been going. She's been going before even the last court date, and we
Prove it.
I can text you.
In this life, you are only as good as the proof that you don't have. If you don't have proof, you have nothing. Spoken word means absolutely nothing.
Judge, the instructor, I got an email from him that she sent me saying that she's been going to the classes and that class was canceled on the 4th yesterday.
The defendant stumbles through explanations. The judge gets annoyed. What are you doing? Playing Candy Crush? She tries to text her instructor for proof. Despite the awkwardness, you can feel she's genuinely scared. Reaction. The scene turns almost cinematic. A woman scrambling for evidence of her own effort under pressure, live in court. So question. Have you ever been in a situation where you tried to prove yourself, but no one believed you?
But she did, attempt to go to class. So she's been going. She did already take a test, and this is one where she did fail the first test. So she's been working on it. It's not enough.
I mean, here we are. How many resets have we had? We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 resets since May. You're now in December. You have had 5 to 6 months. Show me the money. Otherwise, it's not going to go well for you today, Ms. Dixon. Show me. 5 to 6 months.
And Judge, this was a case where she was paying for the classes and then she had to then enroll into the free program, which she's been doing for the last little bit.
Are you playing Candy Crush? What's going on over there?
I'm trying to text him.
Texting who?
The instructor explains that with consistent effort, she could earn her diploma in 2 to 3 months. The judge praises her commitment and encourages her to stay the course. All you've got to do is see it to the end, he says. The courtroom finally breathes again. Reaction. From near jail time to genuine encouragement, this is what rehabilitation looks like in real time. A question, should judges show more of this balance, strict when needed, compassionate when earned?
Because I don't have no food. Like, I don't have nothing.
Tell me, what have you done?
I went to the class,
Okay. Which class did you go
the
to?
GED resource.
Okay. And what, because the way I understand it, there are different modules that you do. You do science, you do language arts, you do math, you do, and whatever else it may be. You go through each section, you complete it, take a test, and then when you're done with everything, you take an overall test, and then you get a diploma.
That's not.
What have you done?
Basically explaining on how everything's going to go, and I was going to finish everything else Wednesday when I was going to go, but the class was canceled.
Who is the provider that you have?
His name is.
Grab me a phone number because I'd like to call them right now.